He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be taking part in the Rib Candy Challenge. Okay, this is a challenge going around YouTube that was started by Kirby at Kirby's Fishing and Grill. So hey, you got to check out his channel. Kirby is real smooth, man, and he does some great dishes. He goes live on the weekends, man, cooking breakfast and out in his backyard and things of that nature, man. So you got to check out Kirby, man. I'll put a link to his channel down in the bottom description block. Now the challenge is to make some sweet candy ribs, and you got to make your own sauce. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing here today. Now, like I said, this challenge has been going around on YouTube to a lot of the barbecue guys, and I was challenged or tagged by CJ over at Cooking with CJ, man. Hey, you got to go over and check his channel out too, man. A great up and coming barbecue and cooking channel, man. Hey, CJ is cooler than the underside of a pillow, man, and you know, smoother than Southern lemonade, man. So, and you got to check the dude out, man. The cat is smooth, man. He got his little fedora on, man, and he's doing some great things over there on his channel. So I'll put the link for his channel down in the description block also, okay? But what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing some St. Louis style ribs. Now I already trimmed these. I already took the silver skin off, and as you can see, I got my slab of ribs here. I even got a piece of the rib that I had to cut off because it was uneven, and I took the top portion of my rib and made me a few riblets. Okay, so we're going to cook all that today, and we're going to be cooking that on the RecTec Mini. Now, you guys know I've been using the RecTec Mini and the RecTec 680 for quite some time now. I love those pellet smokers, man. They're fantastic devices, okay? And the Mini we've been having for a few years now, and it's still going strong. I haven't really had to change out any parts on it at all, and we use it quite a bit. Hopefully one of these days I can get my hands on one of those new stainless steel Trailblazers, or one of those new, you know, small or medium sized smokers that RecTec have. You know, maybe I can talk to wife and let me, you know, spring for one of the new stainless steel jammies. But until then, we're gonna keep rolling with the RecTec Mini and with the RecTec 680. Okay, so we're gonna be using RecTec premium pellets today in it, and we're gonna just see how well this comes out. Okay, our rib candy flavor is going to be an apricot pineapple candy rib. Okay, ha, got you on that one, huh? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do this quick prep work, and we're only going to be doing some simple seasoning. So we're only going to be using salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Okay, and for our binder today, I know sometimes you use binders, sometimes you don't. Most of the time I use mustard as my binder, but today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to be using some Parquet Squeeze as my binder. And then, so what I'm hoping for is that butter, while it's cooking on top of the rib, will make it nice and tender and moist and unctuous. Okay, so hey, don't go nowhere. Hey, watch us do this quick prep work. Watch us throw it out there on the RecTec Mini and do our thing, and then I will come back and show you how we put together that apricot pineapple glaze. Okay, hey, don't go nowhere. so we're done with our cook, and I gotta say, I think it came out fantastic. You guys saw the glaze that we put together. It's an apricot pineapple glaze, and what we did was, just to recap a little bit, is 2 cups of apricot pineapple preserves, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 4 tablespoons of lime juice. Okay, we just simmer that until all the flavors melted together, and then we strained out all the solids out of the mixture so we have a nice clean glaze. Okay, and then as you can see, it put a great sheen and a candy coating on these ribs. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up look at these bad boys. So as you can see, these bad boys got a nice shine to them. Like I said, just like a candy coating. They smell fantastic. Got some great color to them. We wrapped them in butcher paper, so it's got some, it didn't get a whole lot of pullback. I didn't want to really steam the ribs. I wanted to go ahead and make sure they had somewhat of a bark on it to be able to handle the glaze. But I am anxious to taste these bad boys. They are beautiful. Let's go ahead and cut into these and see how they taste. All right, guys, so you saw how they look close up. Let's go ahead and cut into these bad boys and see how they taste. All right. All right. All right. And we even got a nice little smoke ring on here. So the Tec did a fantastic job with the smoke ring. So, ooh, these smell great. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and give these bad boys a taste. Oh, man. Oh, talking about taste good. It's sweet, sticky. Got that apricot pineapple flavoring there, and the soy sauce, the salt from the soy sauce, and the SPG that we put on there when we rub the ribs down bounces out very, very good. Not overcooked. Great bite through. Savory and sweet. Wow, these came out finger licking good. Man, I love that glaze, man. I'm going to put that in my arsenal. Maybe keep doctoring it up, man, to keep improving on it. But all in all, this is fabulous. This is a fabulous eat. Man, that's good. Well, that was a great cook. I hope you guys liked my entrance to the rib candy challenge. Kirby, CJ, hey man, guys, let me know what you thought about my concoction. It came out great. I love using preserves and jams and stuff and doctoring them up to make glazes and stuff. I'm not really a big sauce person because I don't like thick sauce on any of my barbecue. Just a light glaze if I'm going to use it at all. So, and I love the way that this one came out. I'm going to use this on some pork chops and things. That pineapple combination with the apricots and the smokiness and the salt really, really worked well. So, I think in the glaze itself, it tasted very good. I could stand just maybe another inch, another tick of saltiness. So maybe add another tablespoon of soy sauce to the glaze itself. You know what also might work well is if you use some of that Kikkoman's teriyaki sauce in place of the soy sauce if you wanted to give it kind of a teriyaki Asian pineapple twist. So, but man, these came out good. Okay. So, hey, first of all, I want to thank CJ over at Cooking at CJ for tagging me in this bad boy. Appreciate it, brother. Continued success to you and your YouTube channel. And thanks to Kirby for coming up with this challenge, this rib candy challenge. So it's really been fun. Hey, check out Kirby's Fishing and Grill and check out Cooking with CJ. I'll put both links down at the bottom of the description block, okay? As always, I love the Tec smokers. They've been performing fabulously. If you guys are interested in a Tec smoker, check out the guys at tbsp.com. They got some great products. Like I said, I love to get my hands on like the Trailblazer or one of the other new smokers they got out there. So we'll see. Time may tell, but we'll see what happens. Okay. Am I going to tag 3 other people in this rib candy challenge. I don't know. Let me think about that, and I'll come back to you. All right, guys. So I thought about it, and the 3 channels I'm going to tag is 1, Big Lew at Big Lew BBQ. Okay, Big Lew, show us your candy rib concoction. If you haven't been tagged already, brother, I would love to see what you're doing, what you can do with it. Also, I'm gonna tag my man Jason at GQue BBQ. Hey, brother, I know you're busy with your restaurant out there in Colorado and stuff, man, but hey, come up with a little rib candy recipe, so let's see what you can come up with, man. We know you're the man. And last but not least, this is a change up. I'm going to tag the guys at Tec Grills, okay? They always do live cooks and stuff and things of that nature, put videos out. So I love to see if they could come up with a unique rib candy recipe, okay? Well, that's it, guys. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Ow. Another little liquor won't cure.